So now let's learn how to surf the web by using the new Microsoft Edge browser. To access the Edge browser, I'm going to go over here, which I installed in my last lesson, and I pinned it to my taskbar. So I'm going to open this out right here, and this is the Microsoft Edge browser. So over here in the top, you can see the address bar, which will be working with a lot to surf the web. And here you can see the search the web feature right here by default, which is the Bing search engine provided by Microsoft. So if you want to search for something over here, you go over here. And if you want to type in a web address, you go over here. So now let's actually go into a website. So now let's say that you want to go to YouTube. So on the address bar, you can simply type in www.youtube.com and press enter. And now youtube.com comes in. And let's say that you want to search for a video from TutorTube. So I'm just going to type in TutorTube and press enter right over here. And here you can see that the channel TutorTube comes up. So you can go over here and then you can access all of the videos right over here. So now let's say you want to go back to the search results and see what else is there. In order to go back, you can actually click on this button right here, which means to go back. So if I were to go and press here, you can see that it goes to previous page. And if I were to click this back again, it goes to the main page right here. And if you were to go over here, this is the forward right here. So let's say that you open up page and you want to see an update of the page right here. So you want to refresh the page out. In order to refresh, you can simply click on this icon right here and it refreshes the page for you and you get the new content updated in that particular web page right there. So let's say you want to search something but you do not know any information regarding something. What you can do is you can simply go to the address bar right here and search for something. So I'm just going to type in TutorTube Windows 10 and press enter, and it'll use the Bing search engine, and you can see the TutorTube tutorial for Windows 8 over here, which actually pops up on the Bing search engine. So it uses the Bing search engine right over here. If you were to go on to the home itself as well, so let's go back. This is the home. If you were to search for TutorTube Cinema 4D and press enter, you'll get this result on TutorTube itself from the Bing search engine, as you can see right there. So that is how you can surf the web by using the Microsoft Edge browser, and we're going to see more tips and tricks on how you can use this browser in the further lessons. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.